Today we're covering section 9.3. On section 9.3 we are covering circles. The standard is 16.0. Remember that you can always get help from your library by going to www.santafehighschoollibrary.org, and they'll provide you guys math help on your homework online. Now, if we look at your notes for section 9.3, the definition of a circle is the set of all points, x and y, that equidistant from a fixed point, called the center of the circle. Just to help you guys illustrate this definition, it's the set of all points that, in this case, are 6 centimeters, because that's the distance that we set our radius to be, is all of the points that are 6 centimeters away from the center. So if we collect all of those points that are 6 centimeters away from the center, and that will be shaping up our circle. And that corresponds to the definitions, all the points that are a fixed distance. And on this chapter, we'll be looking at the distance. In this case, just the distance for the radius. Now let's go and look at your notes. If you guys can draw the following figure on your notes. We have the circle, the radius, as you guys have seen before on previous math classes, and the center. So go ahead and draw this on your notes just like I have. And let's go ahead and look at example number 1. On example number 1, it says draw the given circle. As you notice, we have the formula of a circle. It's given to you guys here, where the h and k is the center. So this is the h, and this is the k. As you guys notice, it's negative h and negative k. So when we find the center, it's always going to be the opposite. Example number 1, we have draw the following circle. X squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Notice the formula is slightly different because we don't have an h and a k on this equation. So in this case, the center will be 0, 0. There's no h or k. And the radius will be this, r squared will be 16. So in order to find the radius, r squared is equal to 16. Now in order to solve for r, we take the square root on both sides to cancel the square, and the square root of 16 will be 4. So r will be 4. So from here we can just graph it. Our center will be 0, 0. Our radius will be 4, so that means it's a distance. So we're going to go up 4, down 4, to the right 4, and to the left 4. And we connect all of those points. You don't have to do it perfectly. And that will give us the circle. Very important for you guys to be able to label. This is your center. And if you guys can also label your points, this is 4, 0. This is 0, 4. This is negative 4, 0. And your last point will be 0, negative 4. And that's all we have for this example.